Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Today we're playing Minecraft, and I'm doing a very big project. Sorry. I had to remake the recording because when Dad called me and I don't know how to edit yet, so I had to restart. But, basically, I'm trying to rebuild this entire village into Nether theme. So this is going to be the Crimson area, and this is going to be the Warp area. It's like red versus blue, I guess. I'm gonna make like parts to this video, so it's gonna be like part one. It's gonna be a very large project. It's gonna take me a couple days. Luckily, I had school off on Monday, so that's gonna be extremely helpful for this project. And I were to say I've done. Hold on, wait, hold on, give me a sec. I've probably done about like 3%. Out of all this, like even like the trees are gonna be like transformed in like all this. Don't know, regeneration. I was doing something earlier, but yeah. So basically, in this world, I'm trying to transform this entire world. Kinda. I mean, not like the entire world, obviously. I'm not that crazy. But like here, I like added on to like the ruin portal, and over here. Hold on, let me get to it. I have like the like the end portal kind of area, like taking over, doing its thing, you know. But yeah, so now I'm trying to take this village. It's actually a really good spot too, just like a ruin portal right next to a village. So I'm gonna try and transform this entire village, and boy, is it gonna take me further. And I don't have anybody online right now to help me. Last time I checked, so yeah, I have to do it all by myself today. So yay. So yeah, it's gonna be part videos. I'm not gonna like all in like just like one video because I don't know how to edit. They're not gonna be too long. It's gonna be like in the building or like this pretty much, I would say. I mean, it's like, the most exciting thing ever. But you know, it might be to some people. Who like my process of transforming the village. Yeah, it's probably like the largest thing I've ever done, to be honest. I don't think I've ever done anything like this before. In any of my worlds. I normally just put like houses or stuff in survival with friends. I've never actually done like a big project like this. To be honest, so it's a step forward into a good thing, I think. I'm hoping. Yeah, I was watching some YouTuber, I forget what their channel name is, but this is how I got the inspiration. I'll link their channel if I remember their name. Because they do a lot of cool stuff like this. I don't think they've done something like this based on a video. Yeah, I just started watching them like an hour ago. But yeah, so that's that, I guess. But yeah, so that's why I'm pretty much spending all this time transforming this village. So for I don't know, I think I said it in my recording, but I'm gonna take this type of wood and I'm gonna replace it with this. And I'm gonna take this like planks and replace them with this. Unless actually no, hold up. No, I don't. Never mind. Hold on. That's right, I forgot that there's actually gotta fix my mouse. Right, there's actually warp planks and okay, it's a good thing I just remember that. So never mind, I'm not gonna do what I just said. I'm gonna so I can just ditch these blocks. Okay. Alright, so never mind, change of plans. Or actually hold on. Where are they? Never mind, change your plans once more. I'm gonna put the cobblestone as the stripped. I'm pretty sure. Actually, alright, let me write it down on a sign just so I don't forget for the future. Alright, and I think I'll be okay. I'll write down in real life later. Okay, let's see. this is our right in a booking game. I'm just gonna wind up clearing my inventory and then a Bible with instructions on what to do. It was nice knowing you. But yeah, so this is gonna take like forever, right, actually. I don't know why I'm doing this, I just am. Come on, dude, work. Dang it. Bro. Trying to do the thing that just like instantly like replaces the block, but it does not seem to want to work. Okay, there we go. There, dang it. There we go. 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 Okay, if you're wondering how I'm doing this, it's like replacing like the block, or at least just somewhat replacing the block. I don't know how to do on anything below mouse because I play on computer, obviously. I think that's obvious, maybe not. But if you click the left button, no, you click the left button and the right button, but like not like at like the exact same time, it will just almost definitely replace like the block like instantly. No. There we go, like that. Just like that. Yep, there we go. So it just like replaces the block. It's kind of fast. I should probably use it more, maybe, especially in this building. It might be a time saver, but you know. Alright, there we go. Part of that is done. Oh, hold up. I know what I need to do too. So changing this. Like that. Place that. Take that off. Fencing. And these two. There's that, and then torch. So this one's just gonna be a redstone torch because it's red. The other one's gonna be the soul, yeah, the soul. What is it called? The soul torch. But for this area, it's just gonna be redstone torch. Why not? All right. So some more here. I don't really have like a strategy to make this go fast. I'm kind of just like breaking the blocks, to be honest. I'm just going. So yeah. Oh yeah. So I don't have like a real strategy to doing this. I kind of am just going. Hopefully, trying to get like the most done. What are we at? What are we at? Still like nothing really. Oh boy, I'm still at like 4% of the way done, let's be honest. Maybe I should just try and like just break out all the blocks first, and then I'm not really sure. Kind of just like I'm just like alternating, just breaking them places. I guess. I don't really know what to do. Yeah, I could try breaking all the blocks, but that would just take way too long. Plus, it's probably less efficient. So yeah, I don't know. If you have any ideas like what I should transform, I'll find it somewhere in this world, or I'll build it. Maybe that's not too big. Like, oh my god, dude, you should try and transform the ocean into lava. Like, that's actually impossible. I'm never doing that. I'm not even gonna try that. I already tried that. It doesn't work. Well, actually, I do know a way to do it, but I'm not doing it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Wait, hey, hold up. Minecraft tips of the day with Crimson Gaming. If you are insane and you actually want to do that for some reason, here are the easy steps. Grab seagrass. Build tower. I'm sure there's an easier below. Place seagrass 1 block up. directly below water. Place lava. Lava on water. Oh, let's just get rid. Oh god, it's on fire. Lava. Water lava. Alright, there's your tip of the day. That's all you're getting. Tune in next time for another tip of the day. Or of the day that I do a daily upload, which I probably won't, but I'll try. It just depends if I want to work on it tomorrow, which I hopefully will. Yeah, I'm gonna put a piece of paper, duct tape onto my door and say, finish the village. So, yeah. I guess. I don't know. So, oh, no, for that. Yoink. Okay. Looking good. Yeah, there's still way more that I need to do. I don't even done. The outline for this is probably gonna be smaller, like probably like some right there, up there, around that lava pool and back. Oh wait, there's a lava pool. Yo, this is actually a really good spawn. There's a village with a lava pool right next to it in a ruined portal. And a swamp biome over there. Okay, hold on. I'll get the seed at the end of this video. Is that a shipwreck? Hold on. What is that? What is that right there? Is that an above ground tipped over shipwreck? Or is that like half of like a wooden amethyst? Okay, no. Okay, wow. Okay, there's that loot. Is there a treasure map? Maybe? Yes? No? Maybe so? No. But this is a... Oh wait, yes. Yes. Okay, how far away is the treasure map? I'm getting sidetracked, who cares? Yo, it's... Hold up, it's like right here. Hold up, why? Okay, there's a way to understand that. Unless I'm just kind of stupid, which I might be, because I don't do treasure maps. But this is actually like... Hold up. Yeah, that means like the treasure's like legit right here. And this is the most insane seed ever. I mean, this is how you get... This is actually... Yeah, I don't really do treasure maps, but I'm pretty sure... And that does mean that that's where the treasure is, you know. X does mark the spot. X marks the treasure, whatever. I'll put these seeds, or I'll put the coordinates into the description. Because y'all can try and find it. So yeah, you got shipwreck, you got new ruin part, you got village, you got lava pool. And a swamp. Like, what else could you ask for? I mean, it looks like the stronghold's like directly up under the village or something. Then that would make sense, you know. Also, this is in bedrock. This is also in bedrock. Yoink. I do the Java, sometimes I do Java, because I wanted to show this to my friends when I'm done, and we don't know how to really do that in Java. Season only in bedrock, so yeah. I wonder if the villagers are gonna think of this home upgrade, downgrade, whatever they consider. Where even are the villagers? There's like no villagers anywhere. And I've only seen the one single villager. Okay, I just heard one though. Okay, there's some. Okay, there's 2, 3, 4. Okay, I know there's some more villagers. They're just not crossing the red line. Okay, interesting. Watering trader. Alright. I think I'm gonna end this progress report here. It's definitely gonna take forever, but I like how it's looking actually. It's really cool. I like it. I like how where like it splits, cause like, I mean, it looks like natural, cause like it's just like is replacing the grass. Like I like how like it looks like the way it splits like right here. I like that. It looks really cool, in my opinion. But yeah, okay, so that's basically it for this progress report. I hope they'll enjoy the next one and enjoy my progress. Peace.